morning students. I am your class teacher Miss Kusum. Today we are doing kinds of sentences. This topic is for the class 4, kinds of sentences. You should know that there are 4 kinds of sentences. What are those? First one is statement, second one is imperative, third one is interrogative, and fourth one is exclamatory. So one by one I will explain you that how you come to know that whether which kind of sentence is this. So first one is statement. Statement means which states something or which informs something. Some kind of information will be provided in the statement type of sentences. For example, mother is calling you. Here someone is saying mother is calling you. It means he is just providing you the information that the mother is calling you. So whenever there is just a information is provided, that type of sentence is known as statement. For example, we say today is Friday. So we are saying that today what day? Friday. So these kind of sentences which just state something, those are known as the statement. Second type of sentence is there which is named as imperative. Here whenever there is any request, order or advice, whenever there is a request, order or advice, those kind of sentences are known as imperative. For example, please open the door. Now it's requesting, someone is requesting to someone that please open the door. So here is a request, so it is known as imperative type of sentence. Next is you should take medicine. We are advising someone that you should take medicine. So whenever there is any request, advice or any order, those type of sentences are included in the imperative form. Next is interrogative. And at the end of imperative and statement there will be full stop. Next is interrogative. In these type of sentences we ask something. Any kind of question is put in this. For example, what's your name? Next is are you hungry? So in these type of sentences we are asking something from someone, and at the end we always use the question mark in these type of sentences. These are known as the interrogative sentences. Next one is exclamatory. An exclamatory type of sentence is that which shows the sudden feeling, which show the expressions or feeling. Those are known as the exclamatory sentences, and at the end we use the exclamatory mark here. It's known as exclamatory sentences. For example, what a beautiful painting, or what an idea. Here we are expressing something. It can be a sorrow expression also and happiness also. So I hope that you have understood these 4 type of sentences. You have to try the bookwork of this chapter. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.